How to fix Laurentian Bank's login problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your Laurentian Bank's login problem. So let's say you're having trouble logging into your account. Now there may be various different reasons as to how this problem may be occurring. So in this video, we'll go through some of the most common ones and how you can fix them. So the first and foremost thing you got to make sure is you have a stable internet connection. Now as Laurentian Bank app is an application that requires a stable internet connection to work, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or data connection, turn off airplane mode, or restart your router if needed. Now once you've done that, also make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Now once you've made sure you have stable Wi-Fi and your app is updated to the latest version, then make sure you are entering the correct credentials such as your client card or username and your password. Now even if you have the slightest of doubt, you can always reset them by tapping these options over here. And once you've reset them, try to log in using your new credentials which you know are correct, and your problem may be solved. But if not, you can always try to clear the cache memory if you are using an Android device, or you can also try to restart your phone. Doing this will fix the problem in most of the cases. If your problem is still there, simply call this number and talk to them about your problem and they will be able to help you from there. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.